Today we are going to create a curved carousel. Take a frame. Create 6 to 7 rectangles of same size. Open Unsplash and pick images for all these rectangles. Now select all rectangles and make it frame selection. Now put this frame inside the initial frame. Make sure to clip content. Now resize the second frame in which the images are. Create ellipse and put this above the image frame in the center. Same do at the bottom of the images. Give them white background color. Make sure to put these ellipses inside the first frame and outside of the second frame. I will add a stroke to the first frame. Now select second frame and go to prototype and set the scroll behavior. Set the overflow to horizontal. Now we will see the result. It is looking beautiful. Thanks for watching.